Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. So, Willy Woo has an interesting tweet whether the bottom is in for this bear market. Just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that WaltonChain is going to have the mainnet launch today. If you are a WaltonChain token holder, at this time, they don't have any announcement in terms of token swap. So we'll wait until they have further announcement. Also, in case you don't know what is WaltonChain, it's basically a supply chain. They focus on supply chain, Internet of Things, stuff like that. And also, PEOS, make sure you claim your PEOS token before it loses forever, by April 25th. So if you want to claim it, it's simple. Just send a PEOS to another EOS account, a tiny amount to claim it, or you go to Scatter Wallet to claim it. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway token swap. Those can be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So let's talk about Willy Woo. He tweeted about whether the bottom is in for this bear market. So this is the results. So Willy Woo saying that 95% the Bitcoin, the bear market is in right now, the probability. And Kraken founder saying 90%. This analyst, I think it's Drew, 90%. Galaxy Digital, Novogratz say 85%, but he has been wrong before too. And he basically early investor of Ethereum. He make millions from Ethereum. Also, Shapeshift founder Eric say 85% is in. Conmetrics founder, he said 85% is in. Travis King saying 85% is in. To the master, he is the founder for Edelman Capital. Remember, we talked about the Edelman Capital report that he released probably a few days ago. That is pretty good report actually. If you go back to my previous video, I talk about that report briefly. So it's a 17 pages report. And Anthony Popolano saying 75%. And Moran says 75% is in the bottom. And Adaptive Capital, David Pullell, 70% is in. This is hodl. Everybody's hodl not now. So Kevin Norton is 69%. Peter Brand is a veteran commodity trader. So he has been a commodity trader for a long time. 50% is in. Tongfei 40%. Van Zay 39%. And Vinny, CEO of Civic, 30%. The bottom is in. Lucy Investment, Hyperwave Theory, the guy, 20% is in. So it looks like the majority are very bullish. It's saying that the bottom is already in. And I guess nobody knows where the bottom is. I think we are close to the bottom. Not sure if it is in. Since so many people are so bullish at this time, sometimes the opposite is true, right? So if everybody is so bullish, maybe the opposite is true. And he's saying that bottom is never in. There's another comment from this guy, Jesse Powell. Bottom is never in. Everything can go to zero. And Peter Brand is saying that 50% chance Bitcoin go to 50,000. 25% chance will establish a very prolonged block trading range for several years. 25% will go to basically zero. That's interesting. Do you think Bitcoin will go to zero? Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And what do you think? Do you think the bottom is in? What do you think? Is it 90%, 80%, 70%, 50% is in? So please comment below. I would like to hear from you. Also, another investor has 63K follower. I think, he says 91% is in. Whale Panda, 90% is in. Fundstrat, Tom Lee, 80% is in. But the thing is, Tom Lee has been wrong before, right? So I don't take that seriously. And he is more like a mainstream crypto, like CNBC. He always goes to CNBC, right? Isn't it? So he seems to be a mainstream crypto holder, not like how can I say? It's a mainstream version of the crypto holder, not the hardcore crypto analyst. And so a lot of people make the comment and everything. Anyway, so let me know what you think. Do you think we're in? And also Plan B, Plan Bitcoin, basically he tweeted about, since miners capitulated in December 2018, Bitcoin difficulty is back to August 2018 level when price was 7,000. So the mining difficulty has increased. Once again, maybe the price has been pumping up, and then some miners, probably some of the miners from China, they may start the machine once again because it's become profitable. The cost of mining in China probably around 3,000 or something, because if you still remember, some miners may be in Mongolia using those cheap power and all that. Anyway. And also he tweeted about things are starting to look good for Bitcoin from a fundamental stock to flow technical analysis RSI perspective. And he tweeted about this Bitcoin stock to flow model. And he say halving from 2012, you can see like 12.5 stock to flow. The Bitcoin price is 781. 2016, the Bitcoin price 6250. The stock to flow is 25. And 2020, remember next year, May will be next halving, and the stock to flow is 50. So he's saying about 2020, Bitcoin will be 50,000. 2024, the stock to flow will be 100. Bitcoin worth about 400,000. 2028, the stock to flow is 200. It will be 3.2 million, whopping 3.2 million for just one Bitcoin. Let me know what you think about this. How much the Bitcoin will worth. That will be interesting to hear from you next year, 2020. And Murray is talking about, he tweeted about from Mr. saying that most people don't know what money is. This is why Bitcoin is still underrated. First, learn what money is. Then you will be able to leverage the massive opportunity that is Bitcoin. Yes and no, because right now, all the central banks around the world is printing all this money, popping up the stock market and real estate, suppressing the commodity market, basically. Anyway, so that's why the stock market is all-time high. So all this easy money policies since the collapse of the financial system back in 2008, and almost 10 years, basically printing money out of thin air. And last year, when they tried to tightening, remember right before Christmas, the stock market punched. Remember that? Right before Christmas. Then Trump is saying that if you keep increasing interest rate or tightening, the stock market is going to go downhill. Then now the Fed chairman saying that, okay, we may not do tightening. We may see how it goes. And then all of a sudden they changed the tone. Right now, back to the easy money policy, the music's still going on. So what do you think? Do you think it will end badly, the stock market? Let me know what you think. Please comment below. But the thing is, the stock market crossed the golden cross. So it looks like they will be pumping a little bit while before the party's over, I guess. And don't forget, this coming Friday, the Bitcoin future CME future market is going to expire. So not sure. You can see the short position has been pumping in the last 2 or 3 days. I'm not sure if they're going to pump the Bitcoin price and liquidate this position, or they continue to pump, or what. We'll see how it goes. And Charlie Lee tweeted about, just saw that TD Ameritrade is testing both Bitcoin and Litecoin trading on its brokerage platform. Hey, I'm not surprised. Robinhood is already trading Bitcoin in their platform since last year, right? Last year or 2017, I can't remember. So this is the trend. They're going to do, if Robinhood doing that, those traditional brokerage firm, they don't want to miss out. They will probably want to be part of the game. That will be interesting to see. So I'm not surprised at all. TD Ameritrade, they want to trade Litecoin or Bitcoin or whatever. And I think Fidelity starts doing that, right? It's trying to do that too. So the crypto fear and greed index is right now 65, yesterday 68, last week 64, last month is neutral. That's interesting. So basically, Bitcoin crossed the golden cross when the 50 moving day average crossed the 200-day moving average is the golden cross. But the thing is now they're posing that, hey, we're since because of this, we're going to be signal a bull market or signal a bullish signal for the Bitcoin. But the thing is, anything, I mean, those golden cross can change drastically, and not everything go on a straight line, right? So probably they will go up and then they will push it down, and then they will go up again, push it down, going up, pushing down again. So not everything go on a straight line. So if everybody is so bullish at this time, I would be more cautiously optimistic. So, I mean, they may even pump it even higher before they push it down again. You never know. Only the whale will know what's going on, right? They have tons of money to play with. So only the whale will know. So CME future contract is going to expire this Friday. So anytime before that, a day or 2 days before that, there will be huge volatility in the market. And in terms of whether we are at the bottom or not, I probably showed about this probably back in last year when Bitcoin is 6,000 or something. I asked viewer, hey, are we at the bottom yet? I mean, not are we finished the market cycle? At the time, we know that not completed market cycle, and everybody gets it wrong. So anyway, so if you look at the chart, you can see Bitcoin, I don't think it completed the market cycle yet. This is just my personal opinion, not a financial advice, but maybe this time will be different. Maybe I could be wrong too. In terms of Litecoin, Litecoin's already completed the market cycle. It's actually ready for the next bull run. But the thing is, everything depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin hasn't finished the market cycle, they will dragging along the altcoin, because if Bitcoin is not out of the bear market, so as the altcoin. So everything just, altcoins follow Bitcoin. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think about whether Bitcoin already complete the market cycle, or we still have more rooms to go, or this time is different. We already complete the market cycle, and we'll see. And nobody knows. Everybody all of a sudden is so bullish. I'm a little bit cautious. Every single time when all the people go to that directions, the opposite may be true. I don't know. I could be wrong too. Maybe this time is different, right? So if you find this video helpful, smash the like, subscribe, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap or hard fork. Those could be very time sensitive, and you don't want to miss out those airdrops. And we are not totally out of the bear market yet, right? But we are very close, very close. And also you can follow me on Twitter as well. And please comment below whether we are out of the bear market. Do you think 90% we are out of bear market, 50%, 80%, 70%, 60%, or we don't know. I don't know. But you can make an educated guess, right? So please comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube as well. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in IC or cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use the due diligence.